Okay, hello, and this is Big 5678, and I'm here to tell you about www.secretofmagic.com. Go there, there's a lot of magic, and yeah, just go there and get the magic and subscribe. I've made up a trick for the owner of that website. Here it goes. It's not very good because I made it up myself, so yeah. Okay, here it goes. I've got a white silk here. Now, if we wave this white silk and chuck it up, a red silk. We're going to try and do a little bit of magic here with this red silk. I'm going to stuff it all the way into my hand. There's the red silk. Stuff it all the way in. Make sure it's all the way in there, and it's going to jump to the other hand, okay? Count of 3, 1, 2, 3. And it switches from this hand over to this hand. Watch this, we're going to make it vanish. It's going to go back into that hand. And again, 1, 2, 3. Silk vanishes. Now, we're going to take the white silk, and we're going to make a little hole just here. And when we snap our fingers and wave over, out of the hole comes the red silk. So we're going to push it back inside the hole. Make sure it's all the way in there. Now we don't want any poking out, do we? No, we don't. Now, get a little bit of magic dust, sprinkle it on, and it vanishes. Thank you for watching, and remember to visit www